Hello dear students, we are on to the fourth part of electric charges and fields. In the last class we had discussed electric field, its derivation and electric dipole, polar and non-polar molecules. Now we will be dealing with some standard concepts followed by few examples, few problems to understand the basic concept. Higher order problems will be solved later on. At present, to understand very basic things, we will be solving very basic examples. Okay. Before that, let us learn some important concepts, then we will go for problems. In the beginning, we will have, see, linear charge density denoted by lambda. See, what is the meaning of this? If you take a wire, okay, made up of insulator. Insulator means in which current does not flow. Okay, it should be insulator. Conductor means copper, aluminum, etc., in which current flows. You cannot charge them because if you charge them, they will conduct, they will be transferred. In electrostatics, charges should be at rest. If you take plastic, bakelite, etc., if you rub them something with some suitable material, charges will remain on the surface. That is electrostatics. If charges flow, that is current electricity. Now, linear density of charge or linear charge density is also okay. You should see how much amount of charge is present and what is the length of the conductor, length of the insulator, you can tell. Charge per unit length is called as linear density of charge. Linear means length, like that. In 1 meter length, how much charge is present? For example, suppose this total length is 2 meter. In 2 meter length, charge is say 8 coulomb. In 2 meter, 8 coulomb. In 1 meter, how much? 4 coulomb. 4 and 4 becomes 8. In 1 meter, how much charge is present? That is called as linear density of charge. So, very simple. Charge per unit length, 4 coulomb per unit length means 1 meter length. 2 meter 8, 1 meter 4 coulomb, like that. So, charge per unit length is called linear density of charge or linear charge density. Charge is measured in coulomb, length is measured in meter. So, it will be coulomb meter, okay, not centimeter. It shouldn't be small letter c, it has to be capital letter C, and it is meter. It is not centimeter, it is coulomb meter, okay. Linear density of charge. Charge per unit length is called linear density. Next comes surface density of charge. Surface density of charge or surface charge density. Both way it is correct. Very simple. It is denoted by letter sigma. Surface density of charge is charge per unit area. Simple meaning is, if you take one plate, okay, say this duster, we will consider only upper surface. If it is given charge, how do you charge? Either you should add the electrons or remove the electrons. Suppose it is charged, you should check how much is charge present, okay, how many coulomb divided by area. Area may be length into breadth. If it is circle, it is pi r square. If it is sphere, then charges will be equally distributed, okay. Its surface density of charge is charge divided by, you should check how much is charge, divided by area. Area is 4 pi r square. How much it is? 4 pi r square, where r is radius, okay. This is charge per unit area. Charge per unit area is called surface charge density or surface density of charge. Charge is measured in coulomb, area is measured in meter square, length into breadth, meter into meter, meter square. So it will be coulomb meter square. Sorry, here per centimeter, very sorry. Coulomb per meter, and here it is coulomb per meter square, like that. Very sorry. Okay, next. Volume density of charge is defined as, denoted by letter what you call rho. Okay. Guess what it will be? Suppose you take a cuboid like this or rectangular block, you check how much is charge, okay, fine, divided by volume. Volume means what you should do? Length into breadth into height, LBH, like that. So charge upon volume is called volume density of charge. Do not see the charges inside, they are equal and opposite. How much excess charge is there, extra charge, divided by volume will give volume density of charge. So its unit will be coulomb. Volume is measured in meter cube, length meter cube. So it will be coulomb per meter cube. These three you should remember, and very simple questions will be asked on them. Next. Well, okay, we will have some problems. I will write them, then I will restart the video. Well, dear children, when you see this problem, do not be scared. Very easy problem. And this basic formula which we will be using is very useful in many lessons, upcoming lessons. Please hear. Well, how many electrons should be removed or added to charge a body? First, A, positively charged by 1 coulomb, positively charged by 2 millicoulomb, minus 8 microcoulomb and plus 4 nanocoulomb. We will take first problem. Charge given is 1 coulomb, plus 1 coulomb. Well, children, first they want to make it positive charge. Therefore, electrons which are minus, no, they should be removed. Electrons should be removed. If one electron is removed, the charge on the body is plus E, and plus E is equal to plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Suppose two electrons are removed. Charge Q is equal to 2 into E. The body becomes positively charged, twice that of the electronic charge, or with positive value. You should write it as 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. If 3 electrons are removed, you should write 3. If n number of electrons are removed, we should write Ne. Okay. Now they want positive charge here. Therefore, in first case, problem number A, charges have to be removed, negative electrons should be removed. Okay. Now this is simple formula, please concentrate. So our formula is Q is equal to Ne. Q means charge, N means number of electrons added or removed, E is electronic charge. Let us see how to solve. Very easy. You may not believe, it is standard question in board exam for 2 marks. Okay. Problem number A, I shall write here. Okay, here already Q is 1 coulomb written. We have Q is equal to Ne. Okay. We want a positive charge, therefore minus should be removed. Okay. So we will write, they are asked how many electrons means N. how many n, okay. N is equal to q upon E, okay. N here only q upon E. What is the value of q? They want 1 coulomb, okay, I'll write 1. E is how much? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. It is electronic charge or proton charge also. If you simplify, n is equal to 1 by 1.6 is 1 upon 1.6 is 0.625. If it goes up, it will become 10 raised to plus 19. So n will be equal to 6.25. If one decimal increases here, okay, if value increases here, it should decrease, means minus 1. One place if you shift, it will shift by minus 1. It will become 10 raised to 18. Electrons, okay, this is not unit place, electrons removed or added, they should be removed because, minus should be removed because we want positive charge. We should write removed. What you should do? Removed. Electron should be removed. Okay. This is first one. Okay. Second one. Here only you will have how much charge is given? 2 millicoulomb. Q is equal to 2 millicoulomb. Our formula is N is equal to Q upon E. Okay. Q means how much? 2. Milli means 10 raised to minus 3. Milli means 10 raised to minus 3. E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. If you simplify this, if you simplify this, 12.5, it's 1.25. Minus 3 because millicoulomb, be careful here. Minus 19 if it goes up, plus 19. 19 minus 3 is 16, 10 raised to 16. This plus and minus 16 is nowhere concerned with addition or removal of electrons. Well, we want again positive charge. Positive means electron should be removed. Minus should be removed, body becomes positively charged. So I should tell removed, okay. Electrons are removed. Next one, problem number C, okay. Q is minus 8 microcoulomb. We have N is equal to again Q upon E. E is fixed, please. In exam, remember, either N will be given, Q will be asked, or Q will be given, N will be asked. E is not asked because it is fixed value. Q is minus 8, okay. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. Divided by E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay. If you simplify, 16 5s, okay, minus 5. Minus won't come, very sorry. Minus should not be written. 5. 19 minus 6 is 13. Electrons added or removed? Array, we want negative charge, therefore electron should be added because we want minus, okay. So we should write electrons added, okay, added you should write. This one D, Q is 4 nanocoulomb, okay, nanocoulomb. So I shall write N is equal to Q upon E, our standard formula. Q is 8 nanocoulomb, okay, nano means 10 raised to minus 9, you should learn all these things. E is 1.6, sorry, 4 nanocoulomb, okay, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. If you simplify this, 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 19 minus 9 is 10. Electrons, we want positive charge, therefore electron should be removed. You should tell electron should be removed. Okay. We will move on to next problem. I will just, okay, here only I will write, let it be. Second problem, if 6 into 10 raised to 28 electrons or I'll write 8. 8 into 10 raised to 28 electrons are added to a body. How much is charge? See, 1 electron, 1e, 2 electrons, 2e, n electrons, ne. Okay. These electrons are children. Electrons are added, therefore it becomes negatively charged. So, we will write n is how many? 8 into 10 raised to 28. Okay, fine. E is fixed. What is the value of E? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. It will be 12.8 into 10 raised to 9. Okay. So, these many coulomb, but you should write negative because electrons are added. If they tell removed, you should write positive. Okay. Next, some more problems we'll have. I will give a pause. Well, listen here carefully. An oil drop weighing whose mass is 8 milligrams. Well, you may not believe in entrance exam, this will be asked only for 1 mark. If it is JE, it will be, sorry, NEET, it will be 4 marks. Okay. Well, children, listen here carefully. There is an oil drop. As it is, if you leave this, it is going to fall down. It is going to fall down with how much force? Force is equal to weight of the body, mass into acceleration. Okay. This force will bring it down. But what is happening? Plus, 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 plus. One plate they have taken, it is positively charged. Here one more plate is there, negatively charged. Plus to minus, electric field is there. Which field? Electric field, whose value is given as 2 into 10 raised to 4, 2 into 10 raised to 4 volt per meter. Okay. Electric field is vertical. Please concentrate. This is charged positively because they have said electrons are removed. Now what happens? Its weight is down. Because of plus plus repulsion, it is up. So because of electric field, it will experience upward force F electric, okay, and this is weight. For balancing, to keep it here only, downward force must be equal to upward force. So weight of the body must be equal to electrostatic force. Downward, I will write downward weight must be equal to upward electric force. Now what is downward force? Mass into acceleration. Electrostatic force is, see here children, electric field is force experienced by unit positive charge. I taught like that, it is correct. But if 1 coulomb is not there, if it is q coulomb, then it is q. If it is 8, 8. If it is 10, write 10. F upon q. But F is equal to how much? EQ. Very standard formula. This force you substitute, electrostatic force is EQ. Done. You may not believe, in annual examination, it will be asked for 5 marks, sometimes for 3 marks also. Now, what is to be found? Q. Okay, fine. Q is mg divided by E. Mass is 8 milligram. 8 milli means 10 raised to minus 6 kilogram. Don't think milli means 10 raised to minus 3 correct. Milli means 10 raised to minus 3 correct. But in SI system, it is kilogram. So, gram to kilogram is again 10 raised to minus 3. So, it has to be in all 10 raised to minus 6 milligram to kilogram conversion. G purposely they have given 10 to make your problem easier. Electric field is volt per meter or Newton per coulomb, 2 into 10 raised to 4. 2 into 10 raised to 4. If you simplify, Q is equal to 2 ones are 2 fours are into, this will become 10 means 10 raised to 1, 4, this plus 4 will become minus 4, minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9 coulomb. But children, 4 into 10 raised to minus 9 is written as nano coulomb. What it is written as? Nano coulomb. Only while writing. In annual exam, here if you stop, examiner will give full marks. If you do not know, do not write this step. Okay. Next, how do you find number of electrons removed? There is our formula. See here. Q is equal to electrons removed, therefore positive. Q is equal to Ne, standard formula. N is equal to Q by E. Okay. What is the value of Q? 4 nano means 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 9. Okay. 2.5 minus 19 will become plus 19. 19 minus 9 is 10. Okay. 10 raised to 10 electrons. Okay. What children? Removed. N. Solve this part also. Believe me, it is 5 mark question, standard question, board exam. It will be asked for 5. Our CET 1 mark, JEE and all 4 marks.